Hi, I'm Tony from Wild Spider Designs. Now, put your hands up if you love die cutting. But what I don't love is spending ages dotting glue on the back of my delicate die cuts, ever so carefully, placing it down gently without breathing. And glue still manages to splodge out of the sides. Well, thankfully there is an answer to this die cutting dilemma in the form of sticky roll. If you want to end the messy glue misery of die cutting and have a professional looking cards and projects, then this is the tutorial for you. Now, what is a sticky roll? Sticky roll is basically a giant roll of double-sided adhesive tape. The benefit of it being on a roll is that you use exactly what you need and the rest gets rolled up safely for the next time without any going to waste. So how do I use sticky roll to stick down die cut shapes? Step 1. Measure out the size of card you need for your die and cut it out. Step 2. Make your card or paper self-adhesive. Roll out the double-sided adhesive onto your cutting mat and place your piece of card directly onto the sticky roll. If you are using a whole sheet, simply place down the sheet directly onto the sticky roll. Using either a craft knife or scissors, cut around the piece of card. Now here's a quick top tip for you. If you are using scissors, cut just inside the card to avoid getting the sticky roll stuck to the blades. It will come off, but life is far too short to be cleaning scissors all the time. Step 3. Burnish, baby, burnish. Sorry, I couldn't help myself. Burnish the side of the card covered in sticky roll. Believe it or not, this will actually help you take off the liner. Step 4. Get die cutting. Place your die on the side of the card not covered in sticky roll and run it through your cutting machine. Just a quick note, sticky roll will work with any brand of dies or die cutting machines, electric or manual, but it is always worth noting, whether you use sticky roll or not, that many brands of dies have different depths to their cutting edge, so some brands may work better with thicker card than others. The dies I have used here are the Baby Girl washing line from Tattered Lace and Congratulations from Floor Artistry by Sharon Callis. Step 5. Peel off the liner. Using either a craft knife or pin, select a part of your shape and simply nick the liner using a little flicking movement. This should lift up the liner for you to peel gently away. There is a bit of a knack to this part, but with a little bit of practice, you'll be peeling in no time. If you're new to sticky roll, then have a practice peeling off the liner on some more basic shapes first. Step 6. Create your masterpiece. The time has come. You can now place your shape or sentiment down without fear of nasty glue marks ruining all of your hard work. Sticky roll has certainly changed my crafty life and has become an essential tool for me and many other crafters, especially as sticking stuff down is only the start of all the things that you can do with your sticky roll. But most importantly, no more unsightly glue splodges and no more time spending ages sticking stuff down. So make sure you get hold of your sticky roll and subscribe to our YouTube channel.